So you want to store your Rune on your Ledger wallet, but unfortunately when you try to add an account through Ledger Live, you see a bunch of Rune tokens that are on Ethereum blockchain. But you want to store your Rune on Thorchain. Let me go ahead and show you how to do it. So first things first, we're gonna connect our Ledger device. Then we're gonna go to Ledger Live, we're gonna go to Manager, and we're gonna go to App Catalog. And we're gonna search for Thorchain. And we're gonna click Install. If you see that message, means you gotta unlock the device. Alright, so we installed the app for Thorchain. Now, we would usually go and create an account, right? But if we go and we try to add an account and we type in Rune, as I mentioned, there's a bunch of Rune tokens, XRune, SRune, Rune on Ethereum blockchain, and that's not what we want. We want it on Thorchain. So in order for us to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to app.thorswap.finance/swap, and then we're gonna click Connect Wallet, and we're gonna click Connect Ledger. After that, we're gonna select the network, like in this case, it's Thor, not connected, and we're gonna make sure that we have our Ledger unlocked, and we select the Thorchain app on your Ledger. So let's do that, and we're gonna click Connect. Now we're gonna click Nano X, or in my case it's Nano X, in your case it can be Nano S or Nano S Plus as well. We're gonna click Connect, and it says successfully connected Thor Ledger number 0. And as we can see, now at the top we have a button that says Wallet. So we're gonna click on Wallet, and this is gonna be our address. So now we can go ahead and view this address on the Block Explorer. Yeah, and as you can see, it shows no transaction. But now if you want to send a Rune to your Ledger wallet, this is the address that you're gonna use to send Rune to. And it's that simple. I know this was a short one, but nonetheless, hope it helped somebody. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.